Put 2 cups of rice in the bowl. Clean it with warm water for a couple of times. Soak rice in the water for 20 minutes. Cut onion, garlic, and ginger. Stir fried onion with oil. Put ginger. Put garlic. Put 2 tablespoons cumin, 2 tablespoons garam masala, 1 spoon cumin seeds, 1 spoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric, some cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Put chicken and stir fry until the chicken is tender. Put 2 cups of water and a half. Put 1 chicken cube and 1 tablespoon of salt. Leave it cook around 20 to 30 minutes in a medium heat. Clean rice again a couple of times and put it in the soup. Cook rice in high heat for 5 minutes and lower the heat. Leave it cook until the water is gone. Cover the rice. Use the low heat until the rice cooks well. ขอบคุณทุกคนที่เข้ามารับชมวิดีโอนี้ช่วยกดไลค์กดแชร์กดติดตามและกดกระดิ่งเพื่อรับชมคลิปวิดีโอใหม่ๆก่อน